What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, we're going to do up some deep fried, beer battered, stuffed jalapenos. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be good. You know it. I know it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first off, we're going to start with the jalapenos. I know these aren't the biggest ones that you've ever seen, but they came off my plant. And before my geese decided to attack it, I had to save these before they hit the ground. So we're going to go ahead and start them off. Going to go ahead and core it. See if this tool works. Saw it online. Decided I want to give it a try. Not too half bad of a job. Probably worked better if the pepper was a little bit bigger. There we go. Nicely cored. I'll keep doing this and we'll be right back. I've got some triple cheddar cheese here. I'm going to go ahead now and stuff it into these. Now it's time to make up the batter. Today I'm using Louisiana brand beer batter, seafood batter mix. Since I'm only doing just a couple of them, I'm not going to use the whole bag. Do about half the bag. Today I'm also going to use another Louisiana product, some Fallberg beer. It used to be called Dixie beer. So I'm only going to use about half can. We're going to drink the rest. Now when the coals come up to temp, I'm going to go ahead and dip the jalapenos in here, get them nicely coated, then we're going to get them fried up. Now we'll go ahead, roll them up. Listen to them sizzle. Oh yeah, they cooking up good. Just about a minute, not too long. Go ahead, pull them now. Look at that, nicely done. Oh yeah, we got a nice color to them. Batter stuck pretty well. So let's go ahead now for that taste test. All right, here we go. Nice melty cheese, nice crunch and seasoning on that outside of the jalapeno. Nice little burst of heat. Can't go wrong with deep fried jalapenos stuffed with cheese. Just right to the soul. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.